Hi there guys, welcome to another YouTube video from Ross Perry Productions. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to remove and replace the air filter on a 2020 Suzuki Swift. Let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is actually open up the bonnet, which if you don't know how to do, I'll just show you now. Open up the driver's door fully. Just down in the driver's footwell, there's this lever. Give that a pull. Come around to the front of the vehicle. Just in the middle of the bonnet, just by the Suzuki badge, there is a lever. Push that to the left. Open up your bonnet fully, and we're going to put this bonnet stay in that hole down there. Now your bonnet is safe and secure. Looking at the back of the engine now, this is your air box where your air filter is actually housed. So all we're going to do, take off your cold air feed. There's no clips or anything, comes straight off like so. And then we've just got two clips, one here and one over here, and that's actually our top of our airbox loose. So you can take it all the way out and just rotate it around like so, and that exposes your air filter or air cleaner. So you notice it's got an arrow on there with a pointing to the back saying rear, so that's obviously the rear. Just have a look at it, making sure it's not too dirty, or if you've got your new one already to change, vacuum out any debris from inside the box like so. And then we're just going to put that back in, making sure it goes to the rear, making sure it's all down in nice and tight. Rotate your box back round and then actually push it down towards the clips. Do both of the clips up, give it a bit of a wobble, making sure it's on there nice and tight. Get your cold air feed and just pop that straight back on. And there we go. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please go ahead and give me the thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Check out some of my other videos on the Swift or any other car, and please subscribe to my channel.